Trello is a visual work management tool that enables teams to collaborate on ideas, plan, manage, and summarize work in a productive and organized way. To start using the application, visit the Trello website. You can create an account using the website or the Trello mobile app. The app is available for Android and iOS and can be downloaded from your device's App Store. Click or tap Sign Up. This starts the account creation process. Create a Trello account. You can enter a name, email address, and password to create the account, or sign up with your Google account. This will automatically create an account using your Google profile information. To create arrays, click the plus button and select Create Table located in the top right-hand corner. Enter a title for the table and click Create. The title is how the table will be identified in the list. Make sure that the name is clear enough for all users you invite to join the board. Click on Add a List to add a list to the board. The board starts without lists, so you need to create one. Lists are the categories of the board, and entries called boards will be added and moved between them. Continue adding lists until the notice board is properly categorized. After creating the first list, you can automatically start creating the second. Reorganizing lists is possible by clicking and dragging a list. You can move it to another horizontal position on the board. The cards in the list will be moved with it. You can completely delete a board when it is no longer needed. But you are also able to only close it, so that it no longer appears. If you are able to delete a board, you can also delete only cards from it. This is important if you have cards with sensitive information that you wish to delete permanently. To delete a card, open the board and click on Archive or Delete to delete it permanently. Once the sensitive cards have been deleted, you can safely close the board by clicking on the other option, and then on Close Board.